Good morning, all students. So today we are going to learning the new topic for the basic of knowledge in the restaurant. So you can see everything on the table already. This one is the most of the time you will see in the restaurant during you serve the food and the drink to the customer. So that's why today the teacher has asked this topic to all of you. To be make sure if you are the professional server, you should be have the knowledge product or knowledge item before we serve it to the customer. So now let's start it all together. I will recall the item and also telling the detail of function of each item. So let's start with me from the cutlery first. So here we call it BB knife. You can see the shape and the body of BB knife. We use it for serving the bread, okay, for chopping the bread and also the butter. And this one also the BB knife also for the new style in our restaurant. And this one is fish knife, okay, this one is fish knife. And that one is appetizer knife, okay, we use it for any appetizer like salad or any course that not much food to eat, okay. And that one is dinner knife, okay, we use it for main course. And that one is a steak knife, so we use it for cutting the meat. You can see the shape, the blood of the knife is so shape, you can see. And this one just normal, you can see that one just normal, and this one you can cut the meat. So that's why we use it for steak, like a sirloin steak, tenderloin steak, okay. And this one is a dinner fork, okay, we use it for main course, any main course. And this one is for appetizer fork. And this one fish fork, we use it for fish like salmon, grill of salmon or some sea bag fish. And this one is a dessert fork, you can see dessert fork. And now we are going to telling you the detail of any type of the spoon. This one is for dinner spoon. The most of the time we use it for serving in the restaurant for the Asian people like Thailand, Laos and Cambodian. Normally the foreigner not use this spoon. And this one soup spoon, or you can call another word, is a Western soup spoon. We use it for the Western soup such as pumpkin soup, mushroom soup, or minestrone soup also. And this one is most of the time you already know. This one is Chinese spoon, okay. Chinese spoon, we use it for like Chinese style and also for the some Western soup also. And that one is a long coffee spoon. Normally we use it for serve in the highball glass or any type of the drink like smoothie, okay, or especially for Cambodian coffee, okay, with sweet milk. We use it for stir it in the glass. And that one is spoon. We call it for coffee spoon or dessert spoon like that, okay. We use it to serve the coffee and tea and also some dessert. And the last one of this line is chopstick. You know, chopstick, we use it for eating like a noodle and some enchilada noodle also. So let's see at another part. So this one we call a buffet tongue, okay. Buffet tongue, we use it for taking something on the buffet counter or on the plate also, like a silver service. Also we can use this one. And this one is soup ladle, okay. And this one is tongue for taking the eye soup or something, okay. Eye tongue also, or you can just call it tongue also. And this one is a rice ladle. We use it for taking the rice from the pot, okay, rice ladle. So now we are going to telling you some glassware, but the glass on the table is not too much. I just take a few that the most of the time you will see at the operation time. So start from this one. We call it a water goblet. Normally you use it for serving only the water, okay. Water goblet, the function is serve only the water. So the water goblet, we have three type. You can see the first at the top we call the rim glass, and second, you see the place that you handle it, because this one is the function that you can handle it, because you cannot touch it like that or handle it like that, because you will keep your finger mark or fingerprint on the surface of the glass. So this one is the place that you should be handle it. We call it stem, and this one is the bottom glass. Okay, we use it for water. And second one is the highball glass. Most of the time, all the restaurant in Cambodia or around the world always use this one, highball glass. We use it to serve like a soft drink, juice, and something else more. It's okay. Okay. The third one is a Boston shaker. Okay. This one Boston shaker, or you can call another word is an American shaker. Normally, we use it for shaking some cocktail and mocktail. Okay. And this one is a water pitcher or water jug. Normally we use it for serve the water to the customer, but before you serve, you should be keep it in the fridge for making the water is a little bit cold. Okay, so water pitcher, you should be have the napkin to cover like that. Okay. So now let's see. This one is placemat. Okay. So placemat we use it for set up like for breakfast. Okay. And this one is service tray or round tray. Normally we use it for serving the drink to the customer. You can bring the drink at the bar station and bring to the customer table. Okay. And also clear some small thing from the guest table also. It's a round tray or service tray. Now we start from the linen side. This one is napkin. Okay, napkin used for protect something falling from the mouth of the guest and protect their clothes and to clean their mouths. Okay, this one is the ground style. Okay, that's what we call napkin. You can see napkin. Okay, and this one clean clothes. Okay, normally in the restaurant we have more than 2 color. Okay, we use it to the function. That's why we use for the glasses, and the pink one we use for the plate, and the blue one we use for the cutlery also. And that one is the general clothes. Normally that one is very important to clean your restaurant. General clothes, it means that you can clean everything in your restaurant, like the chair and the table and the wall, and also the table outside of the little blanc also. You can use the general cloth. So the general cloth is not good for looking, but good for cleaning. Okay. And that's one you will see. Okay, that's one we also calling red napkin or napkin also. But normally we have the function. So red napkin, we use it for cover to the water pitcher, and we use it for the folding for put the bread inside. Okay, so that's one we call basket, bread basket. Okay, you can see. So we at the lunchtime or at the morning, normally we have the American breakfast or French breakfast. We should be put the Danish pastry in here. Okay, so the butter also add here also with the salt dish. So now let's start to the Chinaware or crockery. So you can see all of this we can call 2 times, crockery or Chinaware. Crockery, it means that the product that we important or making in the China. So we can call Chinaware or crockery, up to you, it's okay. So I start from this one. Okay, that one is a toothpick holder. Okay, toothpick holder. This one is pepper shaker. Okay, pepper shaker. And this one is salt shaker. And you can call another word is 2 of that. You can call cruise. Okay, cruise. Okay. And this one is a sugar bowl. Okay, sugar bowl is the item that we keep the sugar sachet and any type of sugar like a brown sugar, white sugar, and also the equal sugar into the container for serving like a tea and coffee. And this one, we call it a coffee cup. Normally we serve it for the black coffee, Americano, cappuccino or latte. And this one a tea cup. Okay, tea cup for tea, any type of tea in the restaurant. And normally we have three parts that different from each other. The first one you calling coffee cup, okay, and second one you can call saucer, okay. There's one saucer, there's one cup, and you also call another word is underliner, okay, underliner or saucer, it's okay. And this one coffee spoon, and the tea cup is also tea cup and underliner or saucer. So now let's start for the teapot. Okay, this one teapot. This is the item for serving the tea, like Lipton tea, Earl Grey tea, American tea, or English breakfast tea also. And now start for the pitch. You can see. Okay. So this one is dinner plate. So dinner plate for put on the middle of the setup for making like a soul plate, and you can place the napkin on the plate also. And normally the standard of dinner plate we have start from 25 to 27 cm. Okay, this one is dinner plate. And this one you can see it's small, so we call it BB plate. So what does it mean, BB plate? BB plate is mean butter and bread. So this one and the last of the small knife is BB knife. We use it for serving bread and butter. And this one you can see the mostly in your home also. Okay, so we call it a rice bowl. Okay, rice bowl for serving the rice like Chinese style or any soup. And this one is Western cup. Okay, Western soup cup. So you can remember that all the soup cup from the Western should be have two of the handle. Okay, so this one is Western soup cup. And this one from the China way also. This one we call the round sauce dish. Okay, round sauce dish for serving like a soya sauce, fish sauce, ketchup to the customer when they want to get it. And this one is, you can see, this is the brown twin sauce dish. Okay, brown twin sauce dish. Okay, because you can put the like a chili card and also the soya sauce here. And this one is sauce dish, brown sauce dish. Okay. And the last one that I want to showing you, this one we call it a saucer or underliner. So you can call two types, saucer or underliner. So now I have detailed all the items in the restaurant that the most of the time you will see when you come to our Le Tout Blanc, when we reopen it again after the COVID-19 have been faced. So I hope that you will follow and try your best for taking time for review or re-watching again for getting more knowledge. And I hope that you will develop you yourself to for your better future. Thank you so much for watching this video.